Quiet. Janice. Question number 4. What is the importance of beauty pageants in today's world? 5 words or less.
Everyone,
Hush. Shh. Dubs.
Thank you so much for that wonderful question. For that, I just want to greet you all. A good morning. Good morning. Okay. Today's generation, I believe that beauty pageant is very important to all people in the world, especially to teenager, because they idolize those who win in the contest, especially if that winner is God-fearing and good example in teenager. That's all. Thank you.
Next is let's call in Phoebe. Step forward, please. So we're going to take the question. 1 to 5. That will be contestant number 1.
Question number?
Which quality of women gives them an edge over men?
Well, the best quality of woman that gives a best edge is they can easily understand the feeling of others, especially all women's can you can tell anything to them and you can express your feelings like what you are doing with your mother. Everything that describes woman also describes your mother. That's all. Thank you.
What's best describe woman? What's best describe a woman? Ata.
Alright, moving on.
Contestant number 3. Pick a question from numbers 1 to 5.
1 through 1,000.
900.
999.
Question number 3. What is the role of youth towards the future development of the country or the world?
Thank you for that. The role of a person towards to the future is always important, which they leads to everyone who will decide what to choose and what to be on their future. Most of them become bad, or most of them become good. It's beyond your choice, and it's because how you did it on the past. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Contestant number?
Let's contestant number 3. Call on Mario. Contestant number 9.
Number 9. Choose a question, 1 to 5. Number 4.
Number 4.
Scott. Question number 4. What makes a man a good man?
First of all, thank you so much for this opportunity. Ms. Kat, thank you for the question. The first word that comes in my mind, what makes a man being a good man is his priorities. So, many priorities are coming to our lives. Family, friends, job, religion. So, if you can navigate or wisely comprehend with your priorities, then you will be a good man. Just not just inside of people, but also inside of God. Thank you so much.
LGBT category. 4.
Question number 4 will be read by Director Craig Grimes.
I need an interpreter.
If you were a fruit, no, I'm not gonna. If there were no rules in your life, wait a minute, yeah. If there were no rules in your life for one day, and you could be outrageous, oh God. What would you do?
Go, Sissy!
Okay, thank you for that wonderful question, Sir Craig. Before anything else, I would like to take this opportunity to say thank you for all this fantastic event and one of the gorgeous people here at Motorola. Well, if ever that there will be no rules in this world for one day, I will pick love each other and peace. Why?
Sabi ko naman gagamitin.
Because if ever that there will peace, there will be no war. So if there will war, there will be love. That's all. Thank you.
Number 2.
World peace.
In the Philippines, many gay people are out loud and feminine. There are many gay role models like Vice Ganda for feminine gays. Society often forgets that there are gay people out there who are quiet, shy, or more masculine. What do you have to say about the lack of attention masculine gays have in the community?
First,
First, I would like to
thank all my friends and my co-teams in Team Viva for making me Okay.
Isisat na lang natin.
Okay, what can I say about the masculine gays that were not out in the community right now? Okay, I would say that I'm one of them because I'm not that very outrageous when it comes to my actions. And I think that's a good thing because I think the respect will be given to them if they're not really out loud that much. And no offense to the out gay persons, but I think that's a good thing for them because they can, although they are just silent, they can express their feelings when it comes to being gay without making any unnecessary doings with the gay that is out. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, candidate number 11.